Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Amazing Marvin with the TickTick. The first thing I'm going to compare are pricing plans, and then I'm going to compare how it actually feels to use TickTick and how it actually feels to use Amazing Marvin. So let's start. Amazing Marvin offers you only 30-day free trial, but then you have to actually pay monthly, yearly, or lifetime. $12 a month yearly, $8 a month or lifetime. TickTick offers you a free account, which is limited because you're not going to have a calendar here, for example, but you can upgrade it for $28. That's like $2.4 a month, and you're gonna have full calendar functionality, customize a smart list, and create more, achieve more, folder list tasks, complex projects are handled as a breeze. So, and also you can track your progress. Now on Amazing Marvin, you need to pay actually money. So in this way, TickTick is winning personally. But let's see how it actually feels to use. So in TickTick, you're gonna have today, then you're gonna have next 7 days calendar, which is paid. And then you're gonna see inbox here and lists. Lists are like your own project. So I can add a list and I can add like, I don't know, block. And then you can choose folder if you created one and type task, click on node list. When you're here, you just add here task, like let's say block number 1. And now you can simply click on it and go to the 3 dots right here and choose the date. You can add a subtask, and you can also add a tag to it, and you can change the priority. You can also go with a Kanban view. This is like really pretty, or you can go with a list view as we had in like before that, and you can have like show countdown here, and you can have list activities, etc. Like really simple, really easy. And this is pretty much it. So the TickTick is really simple. It's really simple productivity tool, task management that you can use. Amazing Marvin, on the other hand, is really complex. When you would come here, and I'm going to log in here. So first, you have master list, calendar that you can like use, timers that you can actually set up like Pomodoro time, so you don't need like Toggle or some apps which are like focused on time tracking, because you got time tracking right here. Then you're gonna see stats and tasks. It's a little bit complex, but I will show you. So you click on add a new project, and I'm going to block number 1. Then I'm gonna see it right here. I can simply add a task here in block, open full screen. So you just add a task here, task 1. You can set time estimate, toggle node, schedule it, edit it, or you can simply add a subtask. Same. And this is pretty much it. Then you can like add a super focus, which is going to like that you want to target on a time. And this is pretty much it. So both of these tools are great for use. You can also click here on strategies, have a task reminder, a disable timer, etc. Like really what you want to do. But in my eyes, in my opinion, both of these tools are great. TickTick is much simpler and Amazing Marvin is more complex, but still, I think you're not going to make a mistake if you choose either of those. I would definitely go by a price, and if you actually need to use timer in Amazing Marvin, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye.